Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Litecoin. We're going to be analyzing the charts of Litecoin, see what is happening and where we could see the price of LTC going as we do go further into this upcoming week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Litecoin as of July 10th, you can see the price is currently sitting at $97.18. We're up about 1% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, down about 1.2% in BTC comparative. But if we're looking at its market cap, $7.1 billion, and look at the 24-hour trading volume, $1.2 billion. This project, in my opinion, is in plain sight, and a lot of people, again, in my personal opinion, are sleeping on LTC. So let's look further into it and see what really is going on, and could we really see a massive upside in the upcoming days to come. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So Litecoin halving countdown, 22 days left, and then Litecoin halving happens. August 1st is the date, and time is going by super fast, and we're literally less than a month away for us to go to that day that a lot of people are anticipating. Speaking about a lot of people are anticipating, you may be saying, Crypto ZX, what do you mean a lot of people are anticipating? The price is not mooning. Why do you think that this could be very exciting? Look at the Google Trends. Over the past 7 days, we're seeing a massive uptick within the searches that are happening for Litecoin. There is, in my opinion, what's going on right now is that a lot of OTC transactions are being placed for Litecoin. Sooner rather than later, I think in the next few days, we are most likely going to see a breakout for Litecoin, and I will share as to why. The signs are in front of us. If you go look on Twitter, we're seeing a lot of discussions happening about Litecoin. Smart money is already paying very close attention to LTC. Now, you may be saying, Crypto ZX, we have 22 days until the Litecoin halving happens. We haven't even seen the price, pump. So what exactly is going on? Settle down, guys. Crypto can move up in a matter of 2 to even 3 days. And that's how important, this entire market is and how you need to understand it. So basically, the most important thing I want you guys to keep in mind is, of course, after we broke into the 78.6, which we were projecting on my channel over the past few months, I said, this is the next target that I could be looking for. It was spot on. We went to the $115 Litecoin. And of course, we've seen a little bit of a retracement since then. But, look where we're being supported by this time around. The previous level of resistance, a huge level of resistance that was coming on our side, when we were seeing the price break out, so many different times we've seen this level of resistance play out for us, and we got rejected basically when we were breaking out. But this time around, after that massive breakout, we're seeing a retracement. Look where we're being supported by. We're being supported by that previous resistance that was coming on our way. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, look at this. Oopsie, it's not this. So if we bring out the measuring tool and see how much it has retraced about 16% from its yearly high, which is quite normal. Remember, that is a level of resistance for the price of Litecoin. But in the upcoming days, I'm projecting that Litecoin will hit a new monthly high, and this time around we will see the price of Litecoin go up to the $132.80, and that is that next main target that I have on my end. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys again, that is a move of 37.76%, and I really think Litecoin will go back into that top 10th ranking, which we did see over the past, few days ago. We did see that happen when we saw that massive breakout, and I see that happening once again. I really do see Litecoin claiming the top 10 spot because of the Litecoin halving, and this could really trigger, some more FOMO coming in. We could potentially even, break back to the $150 LTC, which we have not seen since January 18th of last year. And of course, that is a huge statement to make right now, because that's a 50% move towards the upside. But if you know, crypto moves up really fast. We've seen that happen with Bitcoin Cash. I'm seeing something, there's a gut feeling inside of me that, there is something very similar as to what we have seen with, Bitcoin Cash going to happen with Litecoin. I don't know, something just, is telling me that, that is going to happen. I have that instinct, because the volume right now is $1.23 billion for Litecoin. And, it's holding really strong around this level of support. I would not be surprised in the maybe next upcoming day or two, if Bitcoin hits a new yearly high, we could be back to a 3-digit, Litecoin very fast. So, I am projecting some very bullish momentum in the upcoming very near future for LTC. All the signs are in front of us. Massive, huge news for Litecoin. And I think institutions are paying very close attention to Litecoin right now. I would not be surprised if institutions are even buying up LTC over the counter. And who knows, maybe a week or 2 weeks down the road, we just see a massive spike, like I said, to 150, and possibly even break into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. That would be a mega bullish, target, of course. But honestly speaking, I'm not even being super unrealistic, because I'm comparing it to Bitcoin Cash. What really is happening with Litecoin right now is bigger than a lot of people really realize. Of course, a lot of people don't have patience. People want to see those instant gains, where we see the price of Litecoin actually at 170 tomorrow. Obviously, it's going to be one step at a time. But imagine the people that sold their Bitcoin Cash at $90 and saw the thing pump up to $324. Imagine what they felt. I am having a very strong feeling that we will see that happen, and the momentum is showing us, of course, right now it's showing us that. But what I would want the price of Litecoin to do is get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and start heading above its yearly high. And I think things can start really looking good. And of course, the next main target is that $133 per Litecoin. But with that said, let's pay very close attention to the price of Bitcoin. I am very optimistic. If Bitcoin hits a new yearly high, we will see Litecoin hitting a new yearly high as well. But I want to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, where you could see the price of Litecoin going. Do you guys agree with something I'm saying, or do you have a different take on this? I want to hear from you guys, because of course, it's better to understand everyone's point of view. But yeah, I would love to know what you guys think, so let me know in the comment section. But that is it for today's update. I like what I'm seeing, and of course, if you picked it up on June 15th, at its low at $41, you are still up right now 140%. So the power of holding is also really important, and I'm sure people can see that right now. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.